Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best at-home vinyl cutting machines in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Cricut Explore Air 2 Vinyl Cutter. Cricut has been making vinyl cutting machines for a long time, which are great for using at home thanks to their form factor and features which are perfect for home usage. This vinyl cutting machine is present at the first position in this list since this is the most affordable option given here, making it perfect for buyers on a tight budget. Since this vinyl cutting machine is made for home usage, it offers a cutting mat size of 12" x 12", which makes it quite compact. While it may not be the highest, its cutting thickness rating of up to 2 mm is much higher than most other budget options. Compatible with 6 tools for cutting, writing, foiling and more. Add special accessories like deep point blade, bonded fabric blade, foil transfer tool and scoring stylus for limitless options. Blades and tools sold separately. Number 2. Our second best pick is Cricut Maker Smart Cutting Machine. Cricut also offers slightly more premium and expensive options for those who are willing to go with a larger vinyl cutting machine but still need one which is viable for home use. This vinyl cutting machine can be a great option to easily work on larger vinyl projects right at home. For the same, Cricut has included a decently large cutting mat size of 24" x 12". Similar to the previous vinyl cutting machine from Cricut, it also offers a maximum cutting thickness of up to 2 mm. With just a few clicks, create personalized and custom designs with this cutter using the cloud-based Design Space app that works on mobile phones and laptops, iOS, Android, Windows, and Mac. Customizing 3D art, home decor, jewelry, paper projects and more becomes easy with the Cricut Maker that virtually cuts anything with its advanced suite of tools. With 10x more cutting force than any Cricut Explore series machines, this versatile machine with adaptive tool system delivers pro-level cuts. With wireless Bluetooth connectivity and a cloud-based app that works on Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android systems, get access to thousands of designs to ace the DIY game. Delve into majestic creativity with this cutting machine that is compatible with 13 tools, sold separately, for scoring, engraving, debossing and more, exploring around 300+ materials like fabric, paper, mat board, leather and more to uniquely present your artistic skills. Slicing a fabric using rotary blade, or adding depth to cut denser materials using knife blade, and scoring an ace to create crisp folds using scoring wheels would now become simpler along with foil embellishments with foil transfer tool. Number 3. Our third best pick is USCutter MH 34" Vinyl Cutter. While USCutter and its offerings are a bit on the higher end, you can surely consider it if you are looking for high-end vinyl cutters that are perfect for heavy-duty usage. This vinyl cutting machine is present at the 3 RDD position in this listicle as it is the most powerful option given here. For starters, you get an excellent cutting mat size of 30" x 30" with it, which is much higher than most other offerings. To ensure that you can work on most heavy-duty vinyl projects, it also features an excellent cutting thickness of up to 3 mm. These series are the best value vinyl cutters available anywhere. Works with Vinyl Master Cut and other popular software, like SureCuts A Lot, Flexi, SignBlazer and ScanNCut Productivity Pro, through standard vinyl cutter PNC 1000 drivers. This 34" MH vinyl cutter with Stand Plus design and cut software. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Brother ScanNCut Electronic DIY Cutting Machine. Brother is primarily a brand of printers and scanners which also offer a few vinyl cutting machines which are combined along with their scanner units for versatile usage. This vinyl cutting machine is present at the 4th position in this article because it is the most versatile option for home usage thanks to its inbuilt scanner unit. As for the vinyl cutting unit, it uses a 12" x 12" cutting mat which is perfect for having a compact vinyl cutting machine. Being a premium and high-performance vinyl cutting machine, It also offers a cutting thickness of up to 3 mm, which is quite great. Create original designs for personal use, home decor, and gift giving. This is also whisper quiet, allowing you to cut materials with ease and without disturbing others. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is Silhouette America Ink Cutting Machine. Silhouette America is another popular brand of vinyl cutting machines, since you can find a lot of practical and versatile options when you are talking about home usage. This vinyl cutting machine is the smallest and most compact option given here, which is perfect for home usage. To make this possible, this vinyl cutting machine uses a cutting mat size of 12" x 8", which is much smaller than others. Even though it is a bit average, its given cutting thickness of up to 2 mm is quite good considering the size and compactness of this vinyl cutting machine. This is our smallest desktop cutting machine. It's perfect for cutting materials. The portrait is ideal for cutting any letter and A4 sized materials like paper, cardstock, and sticker sheets, as well as longer rolls of material like vinyl or heat transfer. The Portrait 3 was built with ease and portability in mind. Take it with you on the go for whenever creativity strikes. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.